Okay, guys, welcome back. Okay, because of popular demand of my birthday design, so I decided to redesign my birthday flyer for us to see how I design it. It's very simple. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Okay, without wasting our time, first thing we're going to do is file, new. You click on 5 by 5 inches. That's the size. Create, this it. So, like we all know how we normally do our designs. So, without wasting our time, let's start with the write ups first. Or let's just do the picture. Centralize it. So, clean it like this. So, the next thing we are going to do, let me still shift it up a little bit. The next thing we are going to do is to bring the other picture, which is this one. You drag it in, you reduce it, still reduce it like this, then you shift it to the side. Just make sure it fits in. Yeah, something like this. You can still shift it back a little bit, then you okay, this is it. Then the main thing is the write up. So this text will go down like this. So you now edit, which is the date. So the date is 19th F February, full stop. Now you can now reduce this. You can reduce this one to 5 font size. 5. Hit OK. Shift it up like this. You can see like this. Then sorry for that. Then I just want to shift this one down a little bit. Okay, so the next thing, we want to pick our color, and one of the way I pick my color for my design is this. I pick color from here. Then the last one we are going to be picking is to pick from this place. Yeah, this is it. These are the colors we are going to be using for the tutorial. So let's color. It's almost done. So the last thing, let's write the name Ademola Damilola RASHEED Rashid. You use it left, then you change the color to black. Use it. So we'll change the color, the font to a bolder font. Change the font to a bolder font. bit, yes, like this. So we now have our birthday. So the next thing we are going to do to make our work more beautiful, we're going to I'm going to group all these, Control G, group them. Then we name them birthday, like this. So before that, let me just remove this color palette from inside. So we now have this here. So this is it. So the next thing we are going to do to make this thing more realistic, this picture more realistic, we're going to create a new folder, a new layer mask, a new layer. Then you hit B, which is brush, convert it to black, then you check the color. So we can still, if we want, we can shift it up a little bit like this, something like this here too, like this. So the next thing we are going to do, we are almost done. The next thing we are going to do is to create our background. So what are we going to do now? We're going to group it, Ctrl G, we already group, and we change it to pics. So the next thing we are going to do is our background. First of all, you click your rectangle, you draw this line like this, then you change the color to this, then you duplicate it, change the I'll use this one, then I'll give it like this. So just convert, I'll turn it upside down like this, then See the effect now on it, so you can just shift it down here like this. You can see. So we'll select these three layout, then we'll now take it down the picture because it's our background like this. Then you Control T, then you right click and click on this place. Then this is what you do. Make sure when you click on this dot at the up, you see something like this. You reduce it, you take it to your right hand side. It's too much, you can just reduce it like this. Click OK, and you shift it here like this. Yes, you can see like this. So that's one. The other one, like, I'll reduce the opacity a little bit. Yes, like this. So as you can see, it's going. So I think I did a mistake concerning this. So you click on this main picture, then the layout this thing, the layer max thumbnail, you just click it, then you change it to white. I just want to correct something very fast. Yeah, this is what I want to correct. So here is the main thing now. This is where the main okay, it's remaining one, remaining live long and prosper. That's what is remaining. The text, live long and prosper. You hit it, then hit OK. Now shift, bring it here. So you use the spacing, text spacing, you use 800. Change the background. So now this is where the main work comes. So the first thing I'm going to do, okay, sorry, I need to send this to to group. So the first thing you are going to do is this: you come to this page, then you click gradient. You double click on this, you click your base, this first one. Okay, sorry, let's make it like this. You pick this number, okay. Then the next thing you are going to do like this: you click on this background, you click then gradient, this one, okay, no, it's this one. So we are going to still pick color from this. Okay, I've already picked the color, pick one color, okay. The next one I'm going to come like this, pick color from here. Pick color from here. Camera raw filter. Okay guys, thanks for staying to the end. Please, if you know you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I love you.